Number 1. Flybird Adjustable Bench. Ready for a versatile, sturdy workout companion? The Flybird Adjustable Bench is what you need. Catering to both beginners and advanced exercisers, this bench offers a range of seat and back positions. You'll love how easy it is to set up right out of the box. Crafted with sturdy steel, it can handle up to 600 pounds. Plus, at only 21 pounds, it folds up compactly, includes an attached handle, and is easy to move around for convenient portability. The biggest win? The plush foam-filled seat covered in durable synthetic leather ensures a comfy experience. Cleaning it is a breeze. Non-slip rubber feet make it safe for hardwood floors. The versatility stands out. With 10 different adjustments, 6 for the backrest and 4 for the seat, customizing workouts is effortless. This level of flexibility means anyone can find the perfect workout angle. What do I love most? It's the combination of portability and sturdy construction. Moving it around is simple, yet it feels rock solid during workouts. The only downside is minor. You might find adjusting the positions to be a bit tricky at first, but trust me, you get the hang of it quickly. In essence, the Flybird Adjustable Bench outshines similar models with its durability, comfort, and ease of use. Check it out.